This is your geo-macro trade briefing. The PetroDollar, the system where all global oil is priced and settled in US dollars, is under the most serious stress test since 1974. Here is what changed. The dollar's share of global foreign exchange reserves hit a 25-year low in 2025, falling from 71% in 1999 to 57% today. That is structural erosion, not a blip. Meanwhile, the Iran war accelerated it. Iran demanded oil tanker tolls be paid in Chinese yuan. Indian refiners are now settling Iranian oil purchases in yuan. Russia settled all crude sales to China in renminbi since 2015. Venezuela and Indonesia following the same path. The signal: when the Strait of Hormuz closed, some ships got through by paying in yuan. For the first time in modern history, a major oil choke point operated in an alternative currency. China built the financial infrastructure for this years ago. The Shanghai International Energy Exchange, MBridge, a blockchain direct currency exchange platform. Gold convertibility tied to the yuan. Here's the macro angle. When reserve currencies shift, which happens over decades, not days, gold structurally outperforms. Central banks worldwide, particularly emerging markets, have been expanding gold reserves at a remarkable pace. This is a decade-long movement. For the first time since 1996, global central banks hold more gold in their reserves than U.S. debt securities. Brazil doubled its gold holdings in 2025. France repatriated 129 tons from New York to Paris. Germany brought 700 tons home from London and New York. This is not a cyclical phenomenon. This is structural de-dollarization playing out in real time. The dollar remains dominant at roughly 80% of oil transactions and 57% of reserves. But every crisis accelerates the shift. Every sanction pushes oil buyers toward alternative channels. Every central bank buying gold reinforces the structural bid beneath the metal. The Petroyuan will not replace the PetroDollar overnight. But the era of unchallenged dollar dominance is ending. For geopolitical macro traders, gold, hard assets, and yuan-denominated value are where the structural shift is moving capital. Watch the Strait of Hormuz. If Hormuz closes again, yuan usage spikes. Next time it closes, the spike is larger. Each episode leaves residue. Markets respond to marginal flows. Just a small share of energy trade diverts away from the dollar during a crisis. And the way stress moves through the entire financial system. This is your geo-macro trade. Follow the macro wire for daily breakdowns of the world around you.